We have also another option. It's called ease of access. It means you may have some problem, okay, with sound or eye or something else. You can come in here and you can make it even better. So these are the options that are available right now in Microsoft Word that can help you to access everywhere the file, and anyone can use more, make Word more accessible. That's our slogan in here. So you can come in here and you can say, well, this can really help me. Say provide feedback with sound, or you can say, well, feedback with animation, or screen tip, or show a screen tip. You can come in here and decide which option is good for you and turn it on. Ultimately, we are after advanced option. Advanced option has a lot of category, okay? You can see right now, as I scroll down, you can see tons of them, and they are there. Okay, but we're not here to learn, and we are not here to click on each one of them, because I want you to save your time and use wisely. Now, whenever you have some problem, for example, you stuck with how to edit a file, edits. So you come in here into this, and if you want some more options, so you come in here and you find that option. So maybe you stuck with cut, copy, paste features, and you want more features. So you come in here and you check it out. Or pen, or image size quality, or shoot document content. So anytime you face problem and you struggle to find some solution, at first you just really categorize your problem. For example, you say, well, I have problem with save. So you can come in here and you click and you check out the options. The options maybe is for you. So that's my theory with the advanced, because I couldn't click on each and really see what happens. Then you and me see what happens, because it's a waste of time. Also, if there was some problem, please let me know that at JM I couldn't do this. I'm stuck with this option. My Word has this problem and it's not doing this job. How can I solve it? And once you type in Q&A answer section, I will reply to your answer, to your question. Okay, we are at the quick access toolbar and quick access toolbar and ribbon. These two are very important. So the rest of two are not any more settings. We have a customization of ribbon. We can customize the ribbon. For now, I have 2 posts. I can add even more. I can add more menus, even like by check marking, or I can add my own menus. I can select any part I wanted, and then I can add in here in a group. So you can use the add options, new group options, all of that is available for you. Or you can arrange it even, move up and move down. For now, let's, for example, move this down to this one. Okay, developer, draw. These should be very close to each other. You can add more even using more popular comments not in a ribbon, or all comments or micros. All of that is available for you in order that makes you possible to create your own menu and tool. We have quick access toolbar that you can use it in here. You can add more tools using these list or even another list, and then you can add it and you'll be able to use it. So that's the trick of that. So I'm gonna hit OK, and then we're gonna have our developer, and then we're gonna have our draw options in here.